Ever feel like Unity's interface is a bit like your laundry basket? Messy, cluttered, and in desperate need of organization? Stick around because today we're going to turn that chaos into a masterpiece of efficiency. Learn how to customize Unity's interface to suit your workflow, arrange panels like a pro, and save layouts that will make your future self give you a high five. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification icon so you don't miss out on any of our game development tips and tricks. In this video we'll cover how to arrange your panels, save custom layouts, and configure workspaces. Stick around until the end for a pro tip that will change the way you use Unity forever. So you've just opened Unity and it looks like someone threw all the windows into a blender. Fear not! We're about to bring some order to this chaos. First things first, let's start moving some panels around. You can click and drag any panel by its tab. Go ahead, try it. Move the hierarchy panel to the right, the project panel to the left, or put it upside down if you're feeling adventurous. But seriously, let's keep the scene view in the center. It's where the magic happens. See how easy that was? Now if you're interested in the layout that I prefer and use most of the time, it will look something like this. Instead of having my scene in the middle of my screen, I prefer to have it on the left side, and under the scene I prefer to have my tab scene. Let's do that right now. I will grab the scene tab on the left side as far as possible. I will grab now the game tab and move it underneath the scene tab, and now I will resize my screens. I prefer to have my project tab down here next to the console, and I want to have my inspector next to the hierarchy, but I don't want it to go all the way to the bottom. So I will grab the inspector tab and move it a little bit to the left and down here, and I will release the click. And there you have it. I will resize my screens, and this is my preferred layout. See how easy that was? Now let's add some new panels. I will go to Window and select Package Manager. Now I want this Package Manager to be right here next to the scene, because we'll use this to import new assets in a later video. One tip here, when you're designing levels you might want this big scene view, but when you're coding you need that console front and center. Arrange your panels the way you like it and go up here where it says Layout and save layout and give it a name. In my case this will be Game Level Design, and press save. Switching between layouts is as easy as pie, or easier if you've ever actually tried to bake a pie. Just go to layouts and select the layout that you want. Boom! Instant workspace transformation. Feeling fancy? You can even reset to default layout if the things get too wild. Just go to Layouts and select Default. It's like a panic button for your interface. Now the pro tip, regularly review and refine your layouts as your project progresses and your workflow evolves. Different stages of development might benefit from different layout configurations. By optimizing your Unity editor layout to fit your workflow, you can save time, reduce frustration, and maintain focus on the task at hand. Customizing Unity's layout, it's not just easy, it's fun. Now your workspace can be as unique as your game ideas. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more game development tips, and leave a comment with your favorite layout setup. Until next time, keep creating and keep customizing.